What have we here?
It's Christmas.
All right.
So what this is we just had our virtual conference, and these are new products. And for some reason, our shipment was delayed, so we've been waiting.
Patiently.
And we heard the FedEx guy, and we went, ah!
So let's take a look.
Okay, let's take a look, and that's no exaggeration. Okay.
Chewable Seed.
New and improved Chewable Seed. I've heard it's got a new lemon cream flavor. Do you want to try one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Another Chewable Seed.
Okay, they're a little bit bigger.
Tasty.
Yeah.
Very first, try. Wow. Wow, Shaklee.
Enhances immune function with a great tasting
Wow.
chewable formula.
That's good. Lemon. Wow.
Nice.
Wow. Very tasty.
I like that. Kids would like this too.
Yeah.
Sure.
All right, this is a new flavor of Life Shake. Elderberry.
Elderberry. Which
Why
is
elderberry?
kind of, elderberry is also an immune booster. It's very kind of trendy right now, actually. But it's just our regular Life Shake.
Life Shake, great base for your smoothies, and so your fruit-based smoothies.
Yeah, I guess.
Your elderberry-based smoothies.
You can add chocolate if you want.
Ew. No, fine.
Like a chocolate covered elderberry. Okay, but that's seasonal. It's not going to be available all the time. Well, we got some good stuff in here.
Oh, this is important. A lot of Shaklee products were on back order because such a high demand in products, and so these are just a couple of things we had on back order.
No, say what it is.
No, I don't want anyone to have these. I've been waiting forever for these.
This is Vital Magnesium. We can't live without this.
Yeah.
We've been so sad.
Muscle repair, sleep.
Love it. We love
Muscle
it.
and sleep for me.
Never ever want to run out of this stuff. Ever.
Oh, fun little swag. Some swag. A nice double insulated thing to hold. Oh, I've been wanting this to have in fitness class to show off what I use.
Oh, so that's yours. Okay.
Yeah, very classy. Any more product?
Biodegradable.
Another elderberry.
Oh, my side's gone.
Here's something new. You can talk about.
Okay, this is our Shaklee energizing tea, which was also on back order in the green tea and pomegranate. Everyone loves that. But this is a new flavor. Again, elderberry.
You can have it cold or hot. I look forward to having it cold.
Yep, and what I like about it is totally portable. You can put it in your water bottle, shake it up, or I love it warm in the morning first thing. It's just got the right amount of caffeine that doesn't give you a jolt, and it's yummy.
It's got caffeine?
Yeah. Boys or girls?
Right. A couple of Life Shake samples. So if anybody's interested in trying the Life Shake, we can pop these in the mail to you. Let us know.
Also for your fitness class, right?
Oh yeah, fitness class.
Nice.
I have to attend. I don't want any chafing. It could be good. It's probably good.
It could be good.
Oh, this one you can talk about.
Oh. Okay, this is super new Triple Defense Boost. It's an immune support drink, and I gotta read all of what's in it. This is so new. This again comes in a packet kind of similar to the tea, so it's portable as well. And it is packed. It is like...
It says right there.
Oh, thanks. Clinically proven, immune supporting. It's got vitamin C, vitamin D, zinc. We all know everyone needs that right now. Extra. Immune boosting, okay, I need my reading glasses. Reishi mushroom extract, which I know is an adaptogen. I'll explain what that is later. Ginseng root extract, yeast beta-glucan, elderberry extract, echinacea extract, and quercetin.
Whoa.
Does anybody know quercetin?
Well, that was a buzzword early on in the...
Yeah, very helpful for respiratory
Wow.
protection. So this is an amazing new product. I say try it. If you want to get a sample of it,
Yeah.
let me know too.
And it's, so Shaklee has a lot of immune products, you know, does this improve on Swan? Does it replace any?
It doesn't replace anything, it adds.
Okay.
It's a good partner to Nutriferon.
Okay,
So
partner to
you'll
Nutriferon.
want to try this, especially now in the time we're living in. Yes.
Very good. Thank you, Shaklee.
Yep, thank you.
More energizing tea,
Oh,
more Vital Mag.
we got a lot of Vitamin.
We
Like I
we
said,
probably, it was on back order
Well,
kind of so long,
when
we
I-
kept ordering it. More Vital
Well,
Mag.
'cause I don't wanna
Thank-
run
more
out of
Vi-
it.
There's 4 Vital Mags. Whew. My muscles, finally.
More Vitamin.
More
Oh
Vital.
my gosh.
We kept ordering it, like, what, did we forget to order it?
No.
Oh, this is fun.
Okay, this is for kids. It's got all the stuff we need right now too. Ooh, you're gonna have to read this one.
So
But-
this is called Shaklee Kids Super Immunity. Shaklee Kids has always been a great line of Shaklee
Yep,
Kids products.
Yep.
Chewable, multis, and things like that. So
Oh.
this one though is immunity boost. Okay, so it's got C, D, and zinc. You gotta get all these.
And it's gummy, so the kids
Oh,
will
gummy,
love it.
yeah.
I've already heard.
You gonna open it?
I can't.
Don't open it.
Why?
We might give it to somebody.
I wanted to try it. Are you serious? Another vitamin.
Vitamag. There might be a Vitamag giveaway in the future. And more energizing tea.
More tea. You can never have enough tea.
And I'll do a little, I'll put on,
Oh, I get a shirt too.
yeah. All right. So that's it.
That's
We're very
it.
excited.
As Dave says, that's it and that's all.
So the conference, it's always exciting to go
Oh,
to a conference.
we're gonna get you to try it on, huh?
You can. Oh, here, we'll talk about this one.
Oh. I forgot.
This is-
One of the most important things Shaklee launched at the conference is something called Meology. And what this is a super personalized nutrition. You take this very precise,
Might need an Excel.
maybe that's mine. Take a very precise questionnaire that is patented. It goes way beyond our old health print, way beyond, and it comes up with a nutrition plan that's designed just for you. And even when you get the box, it's gonna have your name printed on it in these little packets that you take every day, and it's designed especially for you. So if you wanna take the quiz, it's free, no obligation. You can just take it and see what the computer comes out of what would be specific to you. So again, that's Meology. Just let us know, send you the link, you can take it. It's really awesome. We are looking forward to doing this ourselves. So that's all that's in the box. Thanks for watching.
Thank you.